Yes, guys, you see this seagull? Yes, what I was doing, I was playing a song from Daft Punk, yeah? And then they start to come one by one. Oh, look, now there are three. Oh, that's interesting. So I started with one. So I was playing the song, yeah? Then no, I wasn't playing the more around me. I wasn't playing the song. I was just listening to the song. It's the song that I will share with you. And so they started to come one by one. At a certain point there were like 4 or 5 seagulls. Now look how nice. So I'm going to play again. Look, it's another one is coming. Look, they think I'm talking to them. Look. Yes. Yes, I like talking to birds, to seagulls. Yes. Look now. Yes. Look. Now I'm going to start. Going to dance. So they will. Ooh, yes. Oh, I love it. So they. Oh, I love birds. I love. Yes. Look. I'm speaking to them. Yeah. I speak to birds as well. That's interesting. Look how they watch. Look. Oh. Yes. I'm gonna. Yeah, they will listen to the music. Look how nice. Okay. Oh yes. Okay, guys. So nice. Take care. Bye, guys.